Good morning, students. Today we are going for the last component of marketing mix, that is promotion. Earlier we have go through with the three major components of marketing mix: product, pricing, place. Now we go for the last component, that is the promotion. In this particular, we go for the meaning and definition of promotion, communication process, promotion mix, and factor influencing the promotion mix. So first with is our meaning. Promotion. Before going for the promotion, we just understand what is the market communication. Marketing communication is the process through which the company shares the information about the product. It is the process availability of the product to the consumer in the market. A communication process is the same, that is sender, encoding, message, then channel through which the message to be delivered, decoding, and the receiver. So through which that a company communicates with the customer, that is the marketing communication. And the marketing communication is also known as the promotional activities of the goods and services. Promotion is the process of creating the awareness about the goods and services in the market or among the consumer. It is an important instrument in the marketing to lubricate the marketing efforts among the customers. It is one of the major elements of marketing mix, as well as a very expensive and time consuming activity. If the company fails to do a proper communication with the customer, the whole marketing process can be collapsed down, because the selling of the product is always depend upon how the product is to be promoted into the market, how much the customer is aware about the product in the market. Promotion helps the product to compete in the market with an unique identification. It is also influenced to make the image of the product, creating the awareness about the product, its features in the mind of the consumers, and to increase the sales of the product in the target market. It also helps to product to compete in the market with a distinct identification, and a company always spend lakh of rupees on the promotional activity just to make his product identifiable in the market. Next is the definitions of prominent definitions of promotion. Promotion encompasses all the tools in the marketing mix whose major role is pervasive communication. Philip Kotler. Second definition was given by Mason and Reth. Promotion consists of those activities that are designed to bring a company's goods and services to the favorable attention of the customers. Third, promotion is any method of informing, persuading, reminding the consumers, wholesalers, retailers about the marketing mix of product, place, and price which has been assembled by the marketeers. This definition was given by McCarthy. The main objectives of the promotion, why the company is going for the promotion of the product. The few prominent objectives are to introduce the new product into the market, to create the demand of the product in the market by creating a very eye-catching advertisements or ringtones or caller tones, or about highlighting the features of the product. It also increases the goodwill of the product as well as the goodwill of the company, to counter the competition in the market, to beat the competition, to give a comparison of your product and the competitor's product. Company is going for the promotion and to tap the market to capture more and more market or consumer, company go for the promotional activities. Now the promotion mix. When a company uses different tools to do the promotion of their product in the market is known as the promotion mix. The marketer uses number of modes of promotion for their product into the market. It is the set of tools used by the marketers to make a recognition of the product in the target market. It provides the best methods for selling the goods and services to the customers. Basically, the promotion mix involves 5 modes which are used by the companies to promote their product into the market. It is basically different promotional activities which depends upon the product characteristics and its usage for which the company is going for the promotion. And these tools are also depend upon the product characteristics as well as the company's marketing objectives. The different elements of promotion mix are advertising, personal selling, sales promotion, public relations and direct marketing. Firstly, advertising. It is any paid form of personal presentation, communication and promotion of ideas, goods and services by an identified sponsor. It is a positive approach towards the product. It is an expensive but effective mode of promotion to approach a large number of people at a time. The different modes of doing advertisements are print media, broadcast ads, packaging, motion pictures, brochures, posters, hoardings, etc. Sales promotion, a variety of short-term incentives provided by the manufacturer to the consumer to exchange for a trial purchase of goods and services. It is designed to stimulate quicker and greater purchase of the product by the consumer or to stimulate the sales of the product at a particular time. It includes different activities like coupons, lotteries, discounts, trade fair, exhibitions, games, etc. Third, public relation, a variety of programs to promote or protect a company's image or its individual product image. The process of building goodwill towards the business and securing a bright public image of the company. It creates a favorable atmosphere for conducting the business. The different activities includes press release, seminars, annual reports, donations, sponsorships, publication, organizing the events, etc. Next, the personal selling. It is the process of assisting and persuading a prospective buyer to buy a product in a face-to-face situation. It involves oral conversation between seller and the buyers for the purpose of making sales. It is also known as the backbone of the marketing. It includes sales presentations, sales meeting, incentive programs, door-to-door selling, etc. Next is direct marketing. It is an interactive marketing system that uses one or more advertising media to effect a measurable response and transactions at any location. It is the process by which a firm approaches its customers on one-to-one basis. It is considered as individual marketing also. It is an interactive marketing and individual marketing or with two-way communication between the firm and the individual customers. It includes catalogs, telemarketing, online shopping, etc. So these are the 5 major tools of promotion mix which a company uses to promote its products into the market. Thank you so much, students.